Nyo ba yan? Ito po ay metal. And metal po is it turning green at the time.
Copper.
Oh, copper. So,
It has value. It has money.
yeah, it has value. So, it turns green siya. In that, ang time lang ano dito. Kung mabasa siya, mag-turn green siya. So, kwarta gini siya, guys. This one is copper, ha?
Yeah.
Copper.
Oh,
So mahal siya ang kilo ani. So kinahanglan nato kuhaon. Copper. I need copper in my life.
You need
I
sanity.
think this one is connected in the ground.
Yeah, probably is.
Ay dili na to magkuha, guys,
You're
sayang.
not getting it out.
Mahal ang kilo ani, guys. I think they're like,
It's probably attached to a cable or something.
yeah, so maybe the per pound. Per
Huh?
pound, how much per pound?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, mahal ni siya, mahal.
But it is valuable.
Yeah, mahal ni siya. Buka trabaho kung makuha na to ni. So, mabinta na to ni pero dili man na to makuha. So ato na lang iwanan diri.
So if you want to dig, you can come get it.
Yeah, if you wanna dig it, come and get it and baligya nimo. Thank you guys for watching. Dili na to makuha eh. Sayang, wala tang pang-cut ba. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.